But yeah, here's my current situation. Here are all my pedals, my heater core, my blower motor. 2 boxes are filling up. Mat, seat, rear parcel panel, rear seat, dash, carpet over there. Dude, it's just... Always vibing on his Razor right now. That's the life I need. That sounds like so much fun. Here I am, just tearing apart my dream car. Man, it's been a minute. So it's been about 3 weeks since my last video that I filmed, and well, I guess let's just kind of hop right into things. So quick update, guys. Obviously you're aware of the situation, right? The video has been blowing up. First off, I just want to give a huge shout out and a huge thank you to all of you that have reached out and showed their support and just you know, even commented on the video. It helps me get through it, and it sucks still, right? If you haven't seen the last video, go ahead and check it out, because man, there is some well, it's just a pretty crappy situation, let's just put it that way.
Rust is to a minimal.
So in my hand, I actually have a, how many pages we got here? 1, 2, 6 pages of, well, basically my opinion on this whole situation. So this right here is the letter that I want to be sending over to the seller. Obviously, no, I have not yet sent it over. Really nothing has happened on the car. I haven't touched it. I really have had no want or desire to do so. Even today, like I really don't even want to do anything to it, but I want to get some content out for you guys, because I feel like if I don't get anything filmed today, it won't have anything for a while. So if you guys have been watching, you're obviously aware the whole rust is to a minimal thing that's been going around, and well, we figured why not take advantage of this opportunity and make some merch around that. So Morgan's been working hard on some pretty cool merch designs, so if you guys would like to help support the build, every single dollar that gets raised from merch is going straight into the car, man. Obviously you guys know how bad I want to just drive this thing, so yeah, if you guys want to, that'd be awesome. I'll have some stuff popping up on the screen now. It is a pre-order, guys, so you know, I just kind of want to gauge how many people will be interested off the bat, just for a first run. And if we have a lot of interest, then we'll keep on doing it. But yeah, we have stickers, t-shirts, all that stuff. So yeah, really would appreciate the support. Also, obviously, Mally Motorworks merch always available. If you guys want to help support the shop, that is also greatly appreciated. So all links below. And yeah, if you guys are able to support, it would really mean a lot. So moving on. I'm sure I'm missing a lot, and I probably wanted to speak to you guys about a whole lot more, but it's been so long since the last video. If you guys have any questions or comments, just drop them down below and I'll be sure to get back to you. But I think I kind of covered, I got a decent update. Like I said, we got this letter. I'm gonna go over a little bit at the very end of the video. I do want to get started, so today I actually bought a couple things to get started on the interior, just stripping this thing down even more, man, because now obviously, I mean, this thing is now getting completely torn down. I would really love to get this thing sandblasted from about here back. It really sucks that we obviously did our whole engine bay, and you know, if you haven't seen the whole progress on that, go ahead and check it out. If you guys are new and not subscribed, please subscribe. There's already been a few videos on this car. When I say few, a lot of videos on this car already. So I mean, as you guys can see, it's literally nothing has changed out here. This scene has been the exact same for 3 weeks. So guys, I just want to go ahead and get started. I really don't even want to work on this thing still. Like, it really is. Guys, trust me, I'm trying to hide it, but I am still so upset about this whole situation. It really, really sucks. But what can we do? We just got to take it step by step and just, you know, keep on moving forward, I guess. But yeah, so as you can see, this is currently a storage container. Kind of want to relieve all this stuff out of here, so I'm gonna go ahead and just start stripping this whole interior down. I don't know if I'll get too far today, and it's pretty dang hot right now. It's about 100 degrees, maybe a little bit more in this garage, but super muggy and humid. You know, if you guys live in Texas, you know. Yeah, if you guys want to buy merch, man, that really is gonna help us out. I'd be cool if we can like buy quarter panels just off merch revenue. That'd be insane. So I got a tote over here. You can't see. Big bin, a littler bin over there. I'm just gonna try and toss everything in there. Got a big and a small one. So hopefully I'll be able to remember where everything goes. Probably will, right? This is broken. Apparently these are like super expensive and mine are broken, so that's cool. Splash guard for the rear. It's garbage. Ooh, top. This is torn. Oh, but I mean, if anybody wants this, it's just torn right here. I don't know if we'll ever need those pictures, but better have them and not need them than need them and not have them. You know what I mean? This thing right here is probably the most valuable piece on the whole dang car. And if you can, I always like to just put screws back in where they came from, if you can do that. Easier to keep track of them. I can't believe I'm doing this right now. Can I just say that? It just still hasn't hit me. This all just feels like a dream or a nightmare, whichever one. Oh boy. Format out of? What is this floor mat out of? Not this car. Oh my, ow. Good. This is good. Oh, this is very comfortable. Just be gentle with this. I don't want to rip it. Ow. Got it.
Oh my god, there's literally no way into our home. No way in or out.
This is a GTR dream. We're living it. Oh, throttle cage? Oh, what is this? Oh, hood latch. Hood latch. All right, guys. Well, for today, I think that's enough disassembly. I'm pretty happy with how much we accomplished. It really didn't even take that long. I mean, it was kind of jammed it out. Dash was fairly simple to get out, and just, you know, the carpet and that kind of heat mat in the back there on the firewall. Everything came out pretty simple. Nothing major, you know, found. There is a little rust hole up over here. You guys see it? Other than that, not too bad. So from here now, obviously, fun part, removing all the sound deadening. But yeah, here's my current situation. I mean, oh my god, I can't even walk around in here. Here are all my pedals. There's like my heater core, my blower motor and stuff is all up there. Oh my god, it's just crazy. 2 boxes are filling up. Mat, seat, rear parcel panel, rear seat dash. carpet over there, dude. It's just a lot, and there's still so much to take out still. I thought I was gonna go ahead and get the cage out, but honestly, I'm done, man. I'm done. I'm done. Also, really weird. Like, is this dirt? Like, I don't know what that is, but it doesn't seem like rust. It's very soft. How did dirt get up in there? That's a little bit worrying. Good times, man. Holy crap. That's nice. Wow. Oh, hang on. It has been a while. That is right. So it's been exactly 31 days since the last piece of content you guys saw, and well, the car looks a little bit different. Let's just put it that way. It feels like it's been longer. I don't know. I feel like that's wrong. 31 days. It can't be right. So, the car is down to a completely bare shell. Check this out, guys. Everything is out of here. Every nut and bolt, maybe one or two still lingering around, but every single thing is gone. Rear subframe completely out, as you guys can see. And same with the front. I don't think I showed anything of that being done, and you guys are gonna have to I apologize for not filming, but man, it's just one of those things where, you know, coming home from working at the shop, and sometimes you just don't really feel like, but I'm sorry. So I will try and film as much as I can from this point on. I think I'm starting to get excited again about it. I think I'm slowly getting more and more excited. And no, I know we'll get to the letter in just a second. I know it's been a long time. I have not updated you guys, and I'm sorry. Just honestly been hustling. We hired an employee at the shop, so that's been awesome, and we just been working. You know, I'm just saving up for quarter panels right now, and just as you can see, I've just prepped the shell, you know, and so it's bare bones, guys. It's bare bones. It's ready to be put on rotisserie, and you know, I really want to start filming more and more about the process, and start taking you guys along more, just kind of like how it used to be. So let me know how you guys feel about that. But yeah, I mean, everything. There's a couple little harnesses I still have to yank out, so I shouldn't say every single thing is out, but pretty dang close. And it's just messy in here. There's a lot of stuff going on. You can see a lot of the sound deadening over there was removed, and yeah, I mean, dang, this is gone to a pretty crazy extent. You guys have to see the inside of our house. I mean, the 2 spare rooms that used to be like spare bedrooms are now part storage rooms. The car has, you know, so many parts to it, you know, and every single one of them is in our house for the most part, right? And all the hardware that goes to them, it's all bagged, it's all labeled. It's pretty crazy. There's a lot happening, so it's gonna be for sure fun putting it all back together, but it will be pretty epic. I'm very excited about it. Like, that part will be cool, because the moment we start assembling things, it's like just a matter of just putting it together, and you know, you start seeing progress like that, you start to get really excited, especially when it's like a car like this. I don't know, especially considering how much work we're now putting into it. So I think that's when it's going to be like, holy shit, this is happening, this is real, and we start to get really excited. Like I said, I'm starting to get motivation again, but I'm just really stoked to see the final product, because it's going to be absolutely awesome. And I know I'm just rambling. So next plan for the car is to get it on a rotisserie. Now, obviously, being in the house garage, we don't really have much room, so I'm gonna have to build my own. So I'm thinking when we get back, we're actually headed to New York today for my birthday. My birthday is August 5th. But yeah, it's just been really hot, so I really haven't been doing much work out here for too long. When I am out here, I'm just trying to do a little bit, knock it out, piece by piece, little by little. Yesterday actually was when I removed the fuel lines, which were the last piece of the puzzle. Fuel lines and a couple other little things, clutch, and the Ateza pump was just kind of hanging on by a thread. So everything, obviously the engine bay, it's super dirty. Like, look at all that just piling up. But if you guys haven't seen the whole engine bay build, oh man, check it out, because it didn't look like this. I mean, that whole bead roll panels custom. I mean, this is all custom, and I think it looks absolutely incredible. So time to get the rest of the car to match, and this car is going to be, I think, man, knowing how I am, man, it's going to be perfect. So very excited. But yeah, rotisserie is next. Going to start building that when we get back from New York, And from that point on, get this car spun over, clean it up, strip it down even more. I think there's a couple little things like nuts, clips, bolts just hanging around here and there. And just get it ready for sandblast, and then figure out a way to get it towed to a place to get sand. But we'll figure all that out. I guess I'd kind of like to show you guys a little bit more up close about these, of these parts, because the plan is to definitely restore all this stuff and make it look brand new. And you can just see how crappy and just rusty and old and corroded and dirty this pump is. So this is the pump that pretty much controls the all-wheel drive system. And well, we're gonna restore it back to new. So whatever it takes, it's gonna be restored. So I'm pretty excited to, if you guys wanna see all like the little parts getting restored and stuff like that, definitely let me know. I'll try and film as much of that as I can. Same thing with these lines. I don't think I'm gonna reuse them just because they're all pretty good. I mean, they are getting corroded, especially in some spots they're just starting to rust, and I just don't really feel like adding unions or anything like that. I could just replace like single lines, but then if we come back here, they're all starting to get a little bit rusted, and I just really don't want to deal with that. So either we make new hard lines or we get, you know, just some AN lines. But I think it'd be cool to bend our own hard lines and try and match it as best as we can. I know that's probably gonna be pretty tough, but maybe it's worth a shot. So yeah, I'm just excited because, you know, I get to pretty much like, I was thinking about this, you know, I'm able to put this car and build this car literally from the ground up, from a bare shell to how I want it. You know, I can change things, I can make sure everything is how I want it, and really just make it the absolutely perfect, you know, my perfect GTR. And I'm really committed to doing all the repair work like absolutely perfect to an OEM standard, and that's the goal, and that's what we're gonna do. So if you guys aren't subscribed, make sure to subscribe, because well, first off, if you made it this far in the video, thank you, because I'm just rambling now. It's been a while because I'm just trying to catch you guys up. A lot has happened. I probably should have had like 3 or 4 videos in this whole span of over a month not posting, and I'm sorry guys, I'm trying. It's just, you know, just thank you guys for watching. And like I mentioned, the merch would really appreciate it. It's the fajitas, man. If you guys are able to buy a shirt, you know, whatever, it would really help out. So so the link is down below for that. But yeah, drop a comment, let me know, let's talk a little bit, let me know what you guys feel about this whole situation. And I'm gonna continue grinding. Obviously I'm gonna be gone for about 11 days, but when I get back, rotisserie is gonna be in the works, and continue to knock out sound deadening and yeah, get this thing sandblasted. So appreciate you guys sticking out to the end of the video. I know it's been a long one, but got a lot to say, a lot to update you guys on, and we'll try to keep the videos a little more frequent. So hope you guys enjoyed. Be blessed. Peace.